Not towards the front, huh?
Not towards the front.
Yeah,
So,
not towards
okay,
the
I will show you. Like this. And then we do 3 times this, the same pace. And then release.
Release.
And then we grab it here. We swing 3 times. After 3 times, we stop. And then landing. Now, grab it, lift up, pull yourself up, and then pulling it back and flipping back. Yeah. And then stay high. That's it. Oh, grab it here. Let's grab it everywhere so it's the same move. And come back. And then get up. And then do the same. A flip. This flip we can do not. Doesn't matter. And then like this. First look into smile. Always keep smiling as a kid. Because like it's enjoyable. Okay? Walking forward. Inhale. Open your arms wide. Exhale down. Inhale, up and down. Last one. Up and down. Beautiful. Now release. Grab your elbows. 2, 3. Okay. Palms touch the ground. Lower down your feet. Beautiful. Inhale, arms up, grabbing. Lift up your right leg. Switch. Yes. Grab it firmly first, let's adjustment. Okay, are we ready? Let's go. Hand here, grab your elbows. No, I get stuck. It's okay. Grab your elbows. Slowly get up, that's fine. And then arms very high. Release back. Pull your right leg in. Grabbing. Free. I'm landing too harsh. Okay, lean backwards. Yeah, you can also go. Beautiful.